Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on a phone, Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Here we need a brush with longer bristles so it can reach all the way to the end of the port. Additionally, we'll need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure so that it simply evaporates after cleaning. It also helps to soften the dirt, making it easier to remove. We have brushes from a set like this. You can buy one for yourself. If you don't want to, you can just use a toothbrush. Just make sure it has medium or soft bristles, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. And you can just use it as normal. I'll be using the better brush because it's more convenient. We need to thoroughly moisten it with alcohol so that the dirt softens up. Take the phone in your hand and wipe it evenly. Of course, do all of this with the phone turned off. Wipe the port in one direction, then in the other, but always steadily and in a single direction. Continue to keep wiping carefully until the entire surface of the phone is perfectly clean and the charging port is completely spotless. As I said, in one direction first, now in the other direction. Do this about 5 to 10 times each way and repeat it twice. And you'll have a clean port. After cleaning the port, set the phone aside for 10 minutes so the remaining alcohol can evaporate. This way there will not be any contact with liquid when turning the phone on, and you will not risk a short circuit. So wait about 10 minutes, then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.